Capital is the lifeblood of any startup, and when it comes to seeking out the rising stars of tomorrow, there's no one better than David Su. As a founding partner of Matrix Partners China, he is one of the leading early-stage venture capitalists in China, with assets under management of 70 billion RMB. The company today is recognized as one of the top 10 best investors in 2023 by Forbes China. And Mr. Su is widely regarded as one of the pioneers in the venture capitalist space. His venture capitalist's journey was not always smooth sailing. Prior to setting up Matrix in China, Mr. Su was a founding partner of KPCB China and TDF Capital and the managing director of Venture TDF China LLC at a time where he found himself in the midst of the dot-com bubble burst in 2000. Despite this, he and his partner raised $33 million to invest in the Chinese market, a testament to his ability to navigate rocky investment climates. In 2007, Su seized an opportunity to expand when Matrix Partners, a low-key US venture capital firm, expressed interest in the promising markets of China. Mr. Su spearheaded Matrix's Partners Chinese affiliate in 2008 as its managing partner, and his visionary leadership propelled Matrix Partners right into the heart of China, igniting a revolution in venture capital, championing over 800 companies across new economic sectors, deep technology, industrial digitalization, healthcare, frontier technology, and new consumer brands. His acumen has crafted a robust 300-strong portfolio steered by an elite team of 80 professionals. But Mr. Su's influence transcends business. His commitment to societal impact is evident through the Sun Tzu Institute and his fellowship with the Aspen Global Leadership Network, where he and like-minded leaders tackle pressing societal challenges and global issues. Matrix Partners China, under David Su, continues to redefine venture capitalism. His journey, though, is far from over. In one of the world's most populous nations, the opportunities are limitless, and the best is yet to come. David Su isn't just building businesses. He's shaping the future.